How to see when you started following someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can see when you have started following someone on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now to access your following list, you have to get to your profile page. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the following next to your profile name. Now under this page, you will find all of the contact that you have been following. From there, you have to select the account where you want to view from when you have started following that account. So once you land on your profile page, head over to top right and tap on the three dot icon. From this menu options, you have to tap on See Shared Activity. And under this page, you can see that there is the date that says you followed this account in the given date. So from there you can view when you have started following someone on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.